Hello everyone, welcome from Nyanda Sustainable Engineering Solution. In this video, we will learn LM35 interfacing with the Arduino. So the LM35 is a temperature sensor. There are different types of temperature sensors available in the market. Out of which thyristor, thermocouple, RTD, LM35. There are wide range of temperature sensors are available. So LM35 temperature sensor has three pins. First pin is voltage, second is the output of the temperature sensor, and third pin is ground. So we can count here from flat side of the LM35. The pins are termed as 1, 2 and 3. This LM35 is a popularly used, and it don't require any signal conditioning circuit. Extra signal conditioning circuit is not required by the LM35, and it gives the output in terms of 10 millivolt. Change in the output is observed per degree increase in the temperature. So let's see the interfacing diagram of LM35 with the Arduino Uno. Now, as an temperature is an analog quantity out of three pins, second pin, out pin of the LM35 is connected with the analog pin of Arduino, and to display the temperature we can use LCD display or we can use serial display for the displaying of the temperature value. So let's see the program or algorithm that required for the temperature sensor. First of all, we will initialize the library required for LCD display if we are using LCD crystal. So library, if we are using LCD display, that is liquid crystal LCD function. Then set up LCD's number, then print the message as temperature, and then we will write the temperature value, and temperature value is displayed on LCD, or if we want to select the serial monitor, we can display the temperature on serial monitor. So this is a program to display the temperature. So first of all, as we are using LCD for the displaying the temperature, we have to include LCD crystal.h, which is required for LCD display. Then we will initialize the LCD pins, and then in the setup we have to begin the LCD. So LCD.begin 16:2 LCD, then LCD setup. So this is the second line will LCD print temperature. So message for the display, that is temperature. Now this is the program, small program. The temperature 5 into analog value into 100 divided by 1024. So this is a formula that is used for conversion of a temperature, and as we know that we are getting the temperature which is connected to analog pin 4, and as the reference voltage is 5 voltage. So into 100 and 1024 divided by 1024 to get the exact value of the temperature. So this is regarding the temperature sensor. Let's go to the program. So this is a program. Now here we will use again I have explained one program related with LCD, and now this is the second program of LCD and now if you don't want to display on LCD panel, we can use serial monitor to display the value of LCD. So serial.begin 9600. So this is used to declare in the setup, and our LM35 is connected with the pin number A1. So A1 pin is used to connect the temperature sensor. Now we have to use some variables for the temperature calculation. So integer temperature is one variable, Float temperature underscore value is another variable. So temperature underscore ADC underscore value is equals to the function, as the temperature pin is analog pin. So analog read function is used to check the value of the pin. So LM35 pin, that is we are reading the pin number A1. Then we will convert the ADC value into the equivalent voltage, as we know, for every 10 millivolt 10. So as per the ADC calculation, we have to multiply it by 4.88 to convert the value into the equivalent voltage. 10 millivolt increase in the voltage per degree rise into the temperature. Now so this is the calculation. 10 millivolt increase in the voltage per degree increase in the temperature. So temperature value is divided by 10. So this is the value we have calculated. Now serial dot print will print the value of the temperature. Then so the value which we have calculated in the variable temperature underscore value, we will print that value. Now we'll print the degree Celsius, and degree Celsius is the unit of the temperature. Now we'll call some delay, and then again we'll check the new value of the temperature. So this is regarding the program of temperature sensor. Two programs we have discussed. One is LCD program and another is serial program to display the temperature value. Now we can compile the code. Now program will compile. Now compilation is completed, and now the program, if the program is correct and error free, then compilation will come. We are able to complete the compilation process. Otherwise we have to remove the errors from the program. Now of the uploading the program. So here we will upload the code. So it will show the done uploading. It will complete the process, and it will complete the uploading process, and it will show the done uploading. Now the program is available in the Arduino. We will see the requirements for this interfacing, LM35 interfacing. As shown in the program, the LM35 is connected with pin number A1. So LM35 is connected with the pin number A1. So let's see the interfacing devices which we required. So let's see the interfacing devices. So this is a LM35 temperature sensor. So this is a LM35 temperature sensor which has a 3 legs. As explained earlier, we have a 3 inputs of the LM35. This is a pin number 1, pin number 2, and this is pin number 3. So as we have seen, so LM35U temperature sensor has 3 pins. Out of with the flat end of the temperature sensor, first pin is a output voltage pin, second pin is the output of the sensor, and third pin is ground. So let's connect the LM35 sensor on breadboard. So this is our breadboard available. Now we will connect LM35 sensor. Now another we will use LED. So LED has a larger leg which is a positive, and LED is a smaller leg which is negative. And now we require some connecting wires. So our code is downloaded in the Arduino board. Now we will connect the component with the help of breadboard. So let's connect the component. So here I am connecting the LM35U on the board. So I will connect the LM35U on the board. So I am pressing the LM35. Now my LM35U is available. I will connect the LM35U with the Arduino board. So as per our program requirements, output pin is connected to the A1. So let's connect the output pin with the A1. So let's complete the connection first. So we'll connect the output pin with the A1. So here I am connecting the output pin to the A1, A0, A1. This is second pin, a second analog input. So I will connect. So this A1 is connected. Now first input is ground, we supply, and second input is ground. So we will use this first connector, which is a red, which is connected to the supply, and this is black, is connected to the ground. So let's connect this to the VCC. So this is connected to the VCC 5-volt supply. So I am connected here 5-volt supply, and this I have connected to the ground. Okay, now the connections are over. Now we have connected our LM35U properly, and now we will observe the output on serial monitor. So here our temperature is displayed. Now see the connections again. So this is a 3 legs of LM35U. First input is connected with A1. So this is the first input is connected with A1 pin. Second is connected to 5-volt. So second VCC is connected with 5-volt, and black wire is connected with the ground. So this is the LM35U interfacing, and now our output is displayed on serial port. So let's see the output of LM35. So this is the output displayed in that is in the degree Celsius. Thanks for watching.